So we're coming to land on runway 19 left, meaning we'll be landing north to south. Still funny that our destination is showed in Chicago. I guess you can't input the same airport that you take off from as your destination, but there's our triangle. And the captain announced we're supposed to have a water cannon salute upon landing. I can see the other runway now, so this is such a momentous occasion, the last United 747 to ever land at Washington Dulles International Airport.
Last time we had a rainbow too. Ooh, I love from the water spray. I hope somebody gets pictures of it.
From the outside of the building.
Well, here you go. It's hard to see with the green, but this baby lands. Smooth airplane I've ever been on. Oh, maybe not today, but.
Poor ramp guys down there getting soaked. It's getting overspray. Wing walking.
Here you go, love.
Thank you. And we are back at the gate, 11:51 a.m. and that is the last arrival ever for United 747 at Dulles.
I do often. It's in the tail on the back.
Anybody who has a connecting flight can get off first.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, it's so amazingly small.
Anybody with connecting flights can get off
February.
Anybody who works in Dulles, please be seated.
Quite neat. Oh yeah, we do have some news crews down on the tarmac here, Channel 7 ABC. Lots of workers who are out to greet us.
I was
race.
I know the airline's gonna buy it because sometimes some South American airlines might buy it.
Yeah. I think now they're getting such a good deal.
Not as many people on this side. There's our misshapen triangle routing. Yeah. Almost a triangle. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Great experience. Appreciate it.
Take care.
Bye.
Thanks, guys. Thank you. Have a good one.
I'm hoping there'll be some cake out here. I have a craving for some cake.
I know, but he has an ANA, Anna. Japanese instead of United. Beat him with a stick.
Oh, I see cupcakes. Oh, yes. I was just saying I have a craving for cake. Perfect. Oh, yeah. Look at this. Awesome. Oh, yes. Definitely have a 747 celebration cupcake. Collect a couple extra pins for some friends. Oh, never seen so many cupcakes in one place. Sorry. Oh.
I will be, but it's not until next year.
You looked awesome. We were out on the runway when you landed.
Here's the happy retirement card. They're gonna load that in the cargo bay and what a great experience. All right, sit down, enjoy my cupcake here.